Raw, like a dungeon dragon. I'm starting to feel like a dungeon dragon. Look at my show footage, how these girls be spazzing. So fuck I look like getting back to a has-been. Like a dungeon dragon. 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 Is it the things that I get for putting you bitches on? Is it my fault that all you bitches gone? Should've said the thank you note, you little hoe. Now I'ma wrap your coffin with a bow. Nigga, she just mad cause you took the spot. Wrote that bitch mad cause I took the spot. Well, bitch, if you ain't shitting, then get off the pot. Got some niggas out in Brooklyn that'll walk the top. I hear the mumbling, I hear the cackling. I got them scared, shook, panicking. Overseas, church, Vatican. You gotta stand still, mannequin. Like a dungeon dragon. 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 She's a Maserati. Hot patty, don't compare me to nobody. By the way, I move my body like I'm doing Pilates. That was when I touch my body. Touch my body. Can't make me a hobby. My body is Kawasaki. He call me mommy, so I call him Bobby. I can be a goalie, can you pocket like hockey? It's the goddess, I'm more than an artist. Got bitch off my brain, so that makes me the smartest. Nigga, who that? Nigga, we that? Can me hold it, I should. Hey, hey, teach me how to play. Hey, baby, let's go. What? Can you teach me how to do it? You know why? Cause all the girls love me. Hey, all I need is a bigger super bumper. And for you to back it up and go. Yeah. Teach me how to do it. 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 Everybody love it. Everybody love it. Everybody love it. You ain't messing with my baby. Teach me how to do it. 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 Everybody love it. Everybody love it. Everybody love it. You ain't messing with my baby. I hear the squad screaming like, hey, get it, mommy. So walk on my shoulders and I take it real low. They like how we do that. He get Dougie on the floor. And the boogie boys stay like Dougie Smoke. Like your boy kinda tired and I pass it to the bro and mom. Show these cats how to do that. Down south things that we learned to lose too fast and brought it to the hood. Got the whole good cat. Teach me how to do it. 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 I heard him say, JD, you need to stop. I heard him say, I heard him say, you know what this is? I heard him say, y'all can't mix me with all the bullshit, nigga. I'm like a head for what you wish you was. Never listen to the beat, never listen to step. Niggas just don't do it like that does. Some buzz. Y'all about 10 bottles of rose, spit, what's up? I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm in my own lane, ain't another one like me alive. Even though I'm so ocean, I still keep these shits outside. One for my shorties on the pole, getting funny now. Two for my niggas on the block with the top down. Can't stop now, cause I never did. Y'all know we stay on some other shit. So baby girl, who the fuck you with? Baby girl, who the fuck you with? I heard him say.